I ordered since last week, and we got in here fast. Okay, and they mail it as priority. Here you go. It's a priority mail, and I got it very fast. So, all right, let's open this box. And ta-da! There we go. I like how they wrap. I like how the box so far. Start opening this. Which one I should open first? Okay, I'll take this one. This is starter Ring of Fire. Here you go, guys. It's pretty good size. Yeah, I like it. And so far, the plant, they are healthy. Okay, and ready for transfer in a new pot. Give them room to grow. And I don't see any sign of, you know what I mean. Okay, and Ring of Fire. And let's see the next one. Box cutter, just be gentle. Oh, okay. So they put label in here, see? And this is a Florida Beauty. You see for yourself. It's nice, but tiny. Very tiny. Here. Florida Beauty. And then, let's see the next one. This is pretty good size. Ring of Fire. This is a good size. Wow. Okay. Good size for starter. Starter plant. This is a variegated. This is a variegated Ring of Fire starter and unhealthy. See, that's the name here. I'm glad that they put label. There it is. It's big. See that, guys? And this is variegated. Look. And right. And the same thing over here. Same this one. This is variegated too. This is also a Ring of Fire, but look how different, how much the different. This is the same price. Okay, I'm looking at my order history, and this the same price, but look at that. And this is big. This is smaller than this, and the same price, but the difference is this is more highly the variegation is high. Look, and it's, yeah, it's high, the variegation. Okay, and the last one, I'm afraid to just rip the top off because it might have anyway, guys, here you go. And this is a philodendron, exotic, more of exotic plant. All right, and look how that they are healthy, thank God, and it's in good condition. These are all starter plant. Okay, so I have two philodendron Ring of Fire, and now this is a philodendron Florida Beauty. Okay, hopefully, I hope I'm able to see, I'm able to grow this because it's really tiny. It's really tiny, guys, and small starter. So anyway, so right now I'm not gonna waste my time. I'm going to give them a new home. I need to put them in the new pot so they have more room to grow and to hydrate them because they are dry. But yeah, okay, now let's see. And I have, once again, I have this mixture here, and I'm doing this here inside the house because outside is chill and pollen. So I'm gonna do my planting here. Here you go. This is so fragile, Florida Beauty. On the side for now. And next one is the Ring of Fire. Philodendron Ring of Fire. Okay, now this is the Philodendron Spiritus Sancti. Okay. Alright guys, here's the Philodendron Spiritus Sancti. Okay, and this is another 4 inches. The Ring of Fire. Alright, there it is. Here's the result of my repotting. And this is the Florida Beauty and the Ring of Fire with variegated and variegation. Here, the same thing over here, Ring of Fire with variegation. And this is the Philodendron Spiritus Sancti and green. And okay guys, now I have to water this plant to hide. I need to hydrate them, and hope to see you guys again on my next video upload. Happy planting. Bye. Take care.